Hello everyone and welcome to another video with Mr. Math. Today we're talking about rational and radical equations. Okay, so we have this equation here that says x minus 3 over 4x plus 1 equals to x plus 9 over x. Okay, the first step, what we're going to do is we're going to multiply every term of the equation times 4x. Okay, we're going to multiply every term times that. So let's do that. So we'll have 4x times x minus 3 over 4x plus 1 times 4x equals to x plus 9 over x times 4x. Okay, the question here is why did we do that? The reason behind is that when we perform this multiplication, we're going to eliminate all the denominators. So let's take a look at this. So we have that this 4x and this 4x will cancel out, and this x will cancel out as well. So we'll have something like x minus 3 plus 4x equals to 4 that multiplies x plus 9. Okay, let's combine some like terms and solve that parenthesis. So x plus 4x, that will be 5x minus 3 equals to 4x plus 36. We need now to subtract 4x on both sides of the equation, and we could also add 3. Okay, what would happen here? Negative 3 plus 3 will cancel out. 4x minus 4x is gone. Now 5x minus 4x, that will be just x. And 36 plus 3 is 39. Therefore, the answer for x will be 39. Okay, thank you for watching. I hope this video was helpful for you.